Hey everyone, welcome to the Crypto ZX channel. If you're new to the channel, do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe. But now let's get right in today's content. You guys might have already guessed what we will be talking today by the title. So, before we jump into that, looking across the board, you guys can see the market is once again going back into the green after having a massive bloodbath across the board over the last 2 to 3 days. But again, even though we're seeing a little bit of green, I don't think it's time to be getting super excited as far as excitement is concerned. But let's get right in today's topic, which is in regards to Vechain. Vechain, my favorite project. You guys already know my stance on Vechain. So if we're looking at the price of Vechain right now, currently trading at 1.67 cents, guys, down 0.1% in the last 24 hours in USD comparative, also down 0.6% in Bitcoin comparative over the last 24 hours. Market cap is currently sitting at $1.2 million, and the 24-hour trading volume is currently sitting at $30.6 million. But now, let's waste no more time and get right in today's prices and see what exactly is going on with the price of Vechain and where could we be going in the immediate short term. And if you're a Vechain holder, guys, you do want to watch this video till the absolute end. Before I begin though, just a quick disclaimer for you guys. As always, anything on this channel is not financial advice. Always do your own due diligence and research when you are investing in cryptocurrencies. So you guys know what has happened over the past few days. We saw Vechain hit a new yearly low at that 1.63 cents mark, guys. We saw the price of Vechain hit a new yearly low. And the reason as to why we have seen that happen is because the entire market, obviously Bitcoin did see a retracement, never managed to get back into the 78.6 Fibonacci retracement level. Hence, we did see a retracement happen with the price of Bitcoin. But a lot of other news are revolving around the crypto space. A lot of investigation is going on. Centralized exchanges in Binance, the biggest exchange right now, is being investigated, and that did create a little bit of panic within the market. And you guys can see the price of the overall Bitcoin has dropped. And I believe the main reason as to why we saw that happen is because of that Binance investigation that is going on. A lot of investors are scared. Binance saw a withdrawal of like about $2 billion in about 24 hours. So you guys can see that that really did impact, and obviously that impacted Vechain in the immediate short term. So now comes the question: what are some next price targets we should be looking at? As of now, if we're looking at the bigger picture, guys, we're starting to see a similarity form. We're starting to see downwards momentum, more downwards momentum. When are we going to see a bottom? Now you may be saying. And there's something I want to share with you guys right now. Very, very important. And right now, we're sitting at some massive levels of support that date back to 2020. And right now, guys, if we lose this level of support, things can start looking a little uglier for Vechain in the immediate short term. We could retest that 1 cent mark. And I've been saying this for quite some time to you guys. But as I've said, that's going to be another beautiful opportunity for myself to be picking up some Vechain at a cheaper price. If we were to go back to 1 cent, that would roughly mean a move of about 40%. And I will tell you exactly why I think that is possible. Number one, Binance. If we were to hear some more negative news that were to come out for Binance, this could definitely impact the price of Bitcoin. And then obviously Vechain is going to react with the overall market sentiment. And also, even though we're seeing, an upwards channel forming for the price of BTC, as I've mentioned to you guys on my channel for quite some time, that I still don't believe that, we have seen a bottom for the price of BTC. I believe that the bottom of BTC is going to be around 11 to a 12K mark, and that would be around, a 30% move down towards the downside for us to reach that. And obviously, if that were to happen, we are going to see Vechain react to that. And that just personally is going to be the best buying opportunity for myself. Again, this is only my personal opinion for myself, because I am a huge believer on Vechain's future. I love this project. You guys already know my stance why I love this project. They innovate on a daily basis, and they just continue to deliver. Right now, cryptocurrencies as a whole are not, in the upward trajectory. We're in a bear cycle. So, obviously Vechain is reacting along with the other altcoins. But remember, look at this chart, guys. This is the partner diagram That's for Vechain. You guys can see some of the biggest names around the world, and I believe this is only going to grow as we go into the upcoming years, because Vechain is really showing the world, especially the business world, what the power of blockchain really is, and hence we're seeing a lot of big companies come into it and really start using their system. So Vechain, long-term perspective, huge potential in my personal opinion. I've already said this to you guys so many times, and I believe that the next bull cycle, it's going to really shock a lot of people, but again, only time is going to tell. But as I say that, we do need to keep the price of Bitcoin along with the Binance news very closely intact, because guys, if we were, the worst case scenario would be if Binance, we hear some sort of negative news that comes out. If some sort of negative news were to come out about any sort of insolvency within their exchange, things can look extremely bearish, and I believe that the bull cycle for the next 2 years is going to be canceled. And that would be a massive impact, because that's the biggest exchange. So that's something that we need to keep very close eyes on. But long-term perspective, guys, I don't see Vechain going anywhere. I believe Vechain is going to be one of the top performers in the next bull cycle. Yes, there's a lot of FUD, a lot of fear, but it doesn't get to me at all. I've been in the markets for so many times, seeing this over and over again, and I'm going to continue to be accumulating my bags if the price were to dip more. Right now, we are in the bearish end of the spectrum, and that's one thing we should keep in mind. Do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Let me know down below what you guys think, where you could see the price of Vechain go, and I will see you guys tomorrow. It's been Crypto ZX, and peace out.